You've tried habits. You've tried routines. You've tried waking up early, reading more, exercising, journaling, drinking more water, all the things the internet told you would change your life. But after all that effort, why does nothing feel different? Why do you still feel stuck, unmotivated, or inconsistent? Why does it feel like you're doing the work, but the results aren't showing up? Here's the truth most people never hear. Habits alone aren't enough. Because what truly shapes your life isn't the habit itself. It's the system behind the habit. Think of it like this. If your habits are the actions you take, your system is the environment, mindset, and identity that make those actions possible. You can force a habit for a few days, maybe a few weeks. But without the right system, it collapses. And here's the part most people miss. It's not just what you do, it's why you do it. A habit without purpose is like spinning your wheels in the mud. Sure, you're moving, but you're not going anywhere. So let's fix that. Let's build habits that actually stick. Let's build habits that don't drain you, but transform you. And it starts with 3 simple steps. Step 1. Link your habit to your identity. Most people say things like, I'm going to read every day. I'm going to go to the gym. I'm going to wake up at 5 a.m. But here's the problem. They're trying to change their behavior while keeping the same identity. Instead, shift the way you see yourself. Say, I am someone who values growth. I am someone who takes care of my body. I am disciplined. I am focused. I am capable. Because identity drives behavior. When you believe something about yourself, your brain seeks proof. A reader reads. An athlete trains. A disciplined person follows through. Don't chase the habit. Become the person who naturally does it. Step 2. Make your habits obvious, easy, and satisfying. This is where most people set themselves up to fail. Not because they're lazy, but because their environment is working against them. If your habit is hidden, you won't do it. If your habit is hard, you won't keep it. If your habit is boring, you won't stay consistent. So let's flip the script. Want to read more? Put the book on your pillow. Make it the thing you see before you sleep. Want to work out? Lay out your clothes the night before. Choose workouts you actually enjoy. Make the barrier to starting tiny. Want to eat healthier? Make the healthy option the easiest option. Put fruits where you can see them. Prep your meals. Create a flow that makes success almost unavoidable. Remember, humans don't rise to the level of their goals. We fall to the level of our systems. Build a system that supports the version of you you're becoming. Step 3. Track your wins, even the small ones. Progress isn't always loud. Most of the time, it whispers. It's in the one chapter you read, the one workout you completed, the one day you said no to your old habits. These small wins matter because consistency compounds. When you track your wins, you're telling your brain, I'm changing, I'm improving, this is who I am now. And here's the amazing part. Your brain loves progress. It rewards it. It encourages it. And the more you celebrate those tiny wins, the easier the habit becomes. Success isn't built in explosions. It's built in the quiet, repeated victories that nobody claps for, except you. The real reason your habits haven't worked yet. It was never about willpower. It was never about motivation. It was never about trying harder. It was about alignment. Alignment between your identity, your environment, and your actions. When all 3 work together, habits stop being a chore and start becoming a lifestyle. That's when you wake up one day and realize you're not trying to be disciplined anymore. You just are. You're not forcing good habits. They're simply part of who you've become. Your habits are the architecture of your future. They shape what you believe, how you act, and ultimately who you become. So build them with purpose, not pressure. Build them with clarity, not guilt. And watch how your life slowly, quietly, beautifully changes. If this message helped you shift your mindset, take a second, right now. Hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a video that moves you forward. It's time to repair your system, rewire your habits, redesign your identity, and build the life you know you're capable of. Build your mindset, build your discipline, build your empire.